Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your credit monitoring with Credit Karma, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin resetting your credit monitoring with Credit Karma, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Credit Karma website by typing creditkarma.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Credit Karma account. After logging in, proceed to your account dashboard. Look for the Credit Monitoring section on the main page. Click on the link or button that says Manage Monitoring or similar options. You will see details about your current credit monitoring setup. Find the option to reset or update your monitoring preferences. Select this option and review the settings that appear. If you wish to disconnect from any existing monitoring alerts, follow the provided steps. To re-enable monitoring, choose the appropriate settings that suit your needs. Confirm your choices by clicking on the Save or Confirm button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. You can now return to your Credit Karma dashboard to view your updated monitoring status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section or contact Credit Karma support. Your credit monitoring is now reset, ensuring you receive the updates you need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.